Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and insights. PenFed Credit Union, found at PenFed.org, serves as a valuable financial resource. Established with a focus on serving military members and their families, PenFed has expanded its membership over the years to include employees of specific organizations and individuals residing in certain geographic locations. Today, PenFed provides a comprehensive array of financial products and services to its diverse membership base. These offerings encompass checking and savings accounts, a variety of loan options, such as mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans, and credit cards tailored to different needs and credit profiles. Additionally, PenFed offers investment services, retirement planning assistance, and insurance products, enabling members to consolidate their financial needs under one roof. Navigating the PenFed website, PenFed.org, allows potential and current members to explore these offerings in detail, access online banking tools, manage accounts, and learn about membership eligibility requirements. The site also provides valuable resources such as financial calculators, educational materials, and frequently asked questions to help members make informed financial decisions. With a commitment to member satisfaction, PenFed strives to provide competitive rates, comprehensive services, and a user-friendly online experience. For those seeking a reliable and versatile financial institution, exploring the services offered by PenFed Credit Union at PenFed.org is a worthwhile endeavor. The website offers a wealth of information on account options, loan programs, and other financial solutions available to members. Whether you're looking to open a new checking account, secure a mortgage, or plan for retirement, PenFed.org provides the tools and resources to assist you in your financial journey. They also offer educational resources and workshops covering topics like budgeting, saving for college, and managing debt. By visiting PenFed.org, you can learn more about their commitment to community involvement and financial literacy initiatives. They offer a variety of membership options, making it accessible to a broad range of individuals. Exploring their website provides a clear overview of their services, benefits, and the value they bring to their members.